everyone and namaste. I'm little Chef Sophia. So today I'm going to share a Republic Day special fireless cooking recipe of tricolor sandwich. So let's start it. Before making the sandwich, I want to tell you the ingredients needed. We will need 4 slices of bread with cutted edges, tomato ketchup, grated carrot, mayonnaise, grated paneer, coriander chutney, grated cucumber, butter, and for a little bit of taste, some pepper and a little bit of salt. And Indian flag has 3 colors, orange, white and green. But you will be thinking that ketchup is red and how can it be used for the flag? But as we know, the formula of white plus red is equal to orange. Similarly here, we will mix a little bit of mayonnaise with ketchup and that will be an orange color. And paneer has a very simple taste. And for adding a little bit of taste, we will add a little bit of salt and pepper to eat. Now let's start making this sandwich. Here we took 1 slice of bread and applied some butter over it. And as we know, at the bottom comes the green. So we will start with the coriander chutney. Here we will spread it evenly everywhere. And then some grated cucumber. These are a very juicy contents, so that's why this layer will be very juicy. Now let's start making the another color. We again put 1 bread and applied butter over it, and it's the turn of white. So here we took some of the mayonnaise and we will apply some of the grated paneer. And mayonnaise and paneer are very creamy. So that's why this layer will be creamy and crumbly. Now it's the turn of the last color, which is orange. We again put 1 bread and applied some butter. And now we will apply the ketchup in which we have mixed the mayonnaise. Now after we have spread the tomato ketchup, we will spread some of the grated carrot. This layer will be crunchy, very much crunchy. Now we will end up making the sandwich by putting the last piece of bread over it, and our tricolor sandwich is ready. Now see from inside how amazing it looks. So eat healthy, stay healthy. Thanks for watching.